For this recipe, you need a 34-ounce French press. I like this Bodum Kenya. You need 170 grams of fresh, coarse ground coffee. Pre-ground store-bought is fine if that's what you have available. 3 cups of cold filtered water, and a spoon for stirring. First, pour your coffee into the French press. Next, slowly add your water over the coffee, stopping about a ½ inch from the spout so that you don't overflow. After that, give the coffee a good stir to make sure there are no dry pockets. Put the lid on the French press, but don't plunge it down all the way. Put your French press in the fridge for 12 hours. After 12 hours, remove the French press from the fridge and slowly plunge it. From here, you have 2 options. The first option is pouring your concentrate into a bottle and mixing it to your taste as you go. This is a great option for households that like their cold brew at different strengths because you can dilute it any way you like it, or you can use the cold brew concentrate to make cold brew lattes. Second option, pour your cold brew into a pitcher and mix with 2½ cups of water. This will give you ready to drink cold brew for the week. All the products and the instructions are linked in the description below. Subscribe for more great coffee content. Peace.